pressure.
Morning, friends. Sunny day here. I just got off the train. I'm looking a little crazy. Welcome back, everyone, to another week, my final week in Portugal. I finally made it to Porto. Just checked into my Airbnb. Another week, another chic Airbnb. Cute. This one's a bit smaller than my last one, but she's super pretty. Are you guys sick of this yet? Are you sick of, ooh, the couch is big. I was worried that it was gonna be one of those like small couches that you can barely sit on, but I love this. I love the European design so much. Do you guys wanna see? It's gonna be a quick one this time, promise. It's cutie, but it's small, but it's perfect. So you walk in here, I think there's a bathroom here. Here's the bathroom. Little shower. Nice marble sinks, very pretty. You just walk straight in, and this is the apartment. You've got a dining room table and this beautiful wall gallery. We've got these 3 giant windows. This is why I booked it, because I love lighting and nice windows, and look how picturesque it is here in Porto. This gives me like, I don't know the vibes, but it reminds me of Halloween and fall. There's the kitchen. We have the bedroom around this corner. And I will be here for another week. And this is the bedroom. So definitely will be spending most of my time in the living room, but I love it. This is gonna be so cozy at night, especially. It's nice and bright and airy, so it'll be the perfect little apartment for my last week in Portugal. I actually have to run off already because I booked myself a spa appointment at this hotel called Rebello. I'll make sure I leave it down below. It looks stunning. They have like a whirlpool and a hot tub, and I booked myself in for a neck and shoulder massage because I've been so incredibly sore, and then go to the whirlpool and then get my massage and call it a night, and maybe order some takeout later. So super happy to be here in Porto. It looks so picturesque, completely different vibes from Lisbon entirely, and I'm excited to be here. I have an appointment at 6 for Antonnette. I just had the most amazing spa treatment day. I just got takeout from this place called, let's see, Barbecuing Porto. I've been craving like a savory, warm meal. This is skewers in here. So we've got some beef skewers, chicken, and then rice. You already know the drill. I'm gonna get cozy and put on some Netflix. I'm loving this wall gallery thing. The vibes in here are absolutely immaculate. I'm a big vibes girl, if you can't tell. Especially at night, like I need cozy vibes. Gonna eat it and enjoy it and be happy. Good night. I have become such a huge fan of laser hair removal. I know I've talked to you about it so many times over the years, and that is because there are so many people still out here shaving and waxing. Shaving, I understand, but waxing, girl, no. You don't even need to get your laser done professionally anymore. There's such a more affordable way. Today's video is sponsored by YouLike. They have so kindly gifted me their laser hair removal device to show you guys. Actually, this is my second one of this exact device, and I love it. My last one I gifted to a friend, and she raves about it to everyone. My biggest question I always get when I show you guys the laser hair removal device is, does it actually work? And I promise you guys, I would not steer you wrong. I am telling you, I'm giving you my word. They work. They work way better than you could even imagine. I'm talking about like 90% hair reduction after just a couple of uses, especially on places where you have like lighter hair, like your armpits, facial hair. I use it all over my entire body. It actually comes with everything you need to use the device, like the glasses to keep your eyes safe. It also comes with a little razor to shave. This is the best investment into yourself for the holiday season. This is such a phenomenal gift. They've also given me a discount code for you guys to check out, so I will leave that code with the link down below in the description box. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it works in action. This is the YouLike Air 10, and my favorite thing about the device is the ice cooling technology. The head stays cool the entire time, so this is what makes it completely pain-free. There's no heat, no irritation, and it's comfortable even on sensitive areas. It also has dual lights, which basically means it covers more area and works faster than the usual single lamp devices. I can finish my entire routine in just a few minutes. For stubborn or thick hair, the SHR mode is strong but gentle. It fires really fast pulses and makes a noticeable difference. I personally start seeing a reduction pretty quickly After the first use, if you ever wanted to have lighter armpits, definitely start lasering. It makes a huge difference on the color and the texture of the skin. It's easy to use and fits into my routine, and it's convenient for keeping everything maintained without appointments. The best part for me as someone who travels a lot lately, I love having something that gets rid of my hair more long term so I don't have to keep up with shaving while I'm traveling. It's also easy to fit into my routine while I'm on the go. Whether I'm packing for a trip or I'm staying in hotel, I can take care of my hair removal quickly and privately. It's a really convenient way to maintain smooth skin without needing to schedule appointments or worry about finding a salon. So if you've been wanting the long-lasting results at home, the YouLike Air 10 is solid. Remember to use my code for a special discount of $90 off. It's such a great gift for the holidays, but also for yourself. You can search YouLike IPL hair removal device to get more info. Comment YouLike and tap the link in the bio and grab one before they sell out. So huge thank you to YouLike for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Links will be down in the description box. Morning guys, I have just gotten ready for the day so fast. I threw my hair in a bun. My brush broke, like completely broke, probably because I'm always using it in the shower. Let me call my Uber really fast. I'm excited. It's potentially my last sunny day here in Porto. It is freezing outside. It's totally winter vibes, but that's okay. It's gorgeous out. I'm going to get my sightseeing in today. I'm so excited. I've also booked myself in for a third massage. Actually, the Uber is literally on its way, so it's 1 minute. I booked myself in for another massage today, a 90-minute massage at this place that had 5 stars. I'm so excited, you guys. I had to put my hair in a bun today because I look like a little egghead because my brush broke and I don't have any conditioner either. So I have to go to Sephora and I have to get a new brush. A walking tour, I'm so excited. My first walking tour of my travel adventures. And then I'm gonna go to my massage and then I'm gonna go shopping after. So come along with me. It's going to be a jam-packed day full of adventure. I just finished my walking tour, you guys. It was so much fun. Actually, at first I was like, why did I sign up for this? But then it honestly was so nice. I saw so many things and learned so many things that I never would have knew or even taken the time to go and see. Like that stunning bridge. I would never have gone and walked that bridge on my own. That's just not things I'm usually doing when I travel. So I thought it was so amazing. I'll leave the link down below for you guys, but highly recommend a good walking tour at the beginning of your trip, especially because then it will show you kind of like the lay of the land. So you'll know where things are, but it also gets you a little bit out and social as well. So I highly recommend really just having a ham and cheese. This is my third ham and cheese in the last few weeks. It's the only thing that I know I like from a cafe. I just needed to get something quick because you already know I have another massage. People are staring, so I have to go. Bye. Morning, friends. Good morning. I am up and early. Can you tell I'm tired as hell? I am up and at 'em early. I'm on my way out the door because I'm headed to a fun excursion. I'm so excited. I almost didn't book it. It's the most like hours I'm going to spend on an excursion. I think it's like 6 to 9 hours or something like that. I don't know. It's also the most expensive excursion I've ever done, but I'm super excited. I am gonna go wine tasting up in Duro Valley. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I had people like message me being like, you have to do that. And I read the reviews on the excursion and people were like, you cannot come to Porto and not do this excursion. It's like the most unreal, beautiful place apparently. So fingers crossed it's gorgeous. I'm hoping for good, perfect weather all day today and I'm excited. Hopefully I can get a good nap in on the way there in the car, but I'm very excited for this. It's like, I'm just having the best time. This has been the best trip I've ever taken and it's by myself. So I don't know what that means, but this has been the best. Anyways, let's go wine tasting. I'm excited. I wanted to show you guys my outfit today as well. Let me see if I can get it myself into frame. I got this scarf yesterday at Zara. I'll do a little haul of everything I got in Portugal. But I got this super chic scarf. It's got like this fur, built-in fur bit on it and super cozy and warm and chic and rich. And then I also got these boots. I feel like these pants might be a little short, but this is the fit. I love these boots. I just got them yesterday at Zara. They were like 50 euros. It's cheap for American Zara. I got like 7 items for 160 euros and I was so excited. So I'll show you my haul later, but these jeans might be a little short for these boots, but I don't care. Whatever, this is the fit. I'm very excited, let's go. We're in the middle of wine tasting. Ooh, did you drink it? I gave her mine. Yeah. We're having the best time. I made some friends.
With beer. Sweet wine with beer is amazing. Super popular.
And there's cute dogs here. We've been wine tasting, going around and having wine and laughing our ass off and just having the best time ever. And now we're gonna have some lunch. What's for lunch?
It should be roasted sirloin. Roasted sirloin, roasted potatoes, cabbage, white rice, some starters, mix of vegetable soup.
Yes, it sounds amazing.
Tons of wine,
I'm so
white,
excited.
Red, port,
yes,
yes. Some wine marathon today.
Okay, I'm so excited. The food sounds even more amazing. Come on, girls. You guys want to say hi to my vlog? Say it again. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, anything you need, let us know.
Today was great.
Today's great. I'm so
great
that like we got y'all. Like,
I know.
it could have been literally anybody. Like this could have been like an older Irish couple that's like 75 and traveling
And not
with their
having
requirements.
fun and like, yeah.
Which I thought.
We almost fall back.
There you go.
Try it for us. Oh, you're drinking the whole thing. Wow. Ballsy.
Oh, you made her do like cute of the.
No, thank you.
You did the same thing I did.
Yeah.
You cleaned the cup. I did it half and half.
She did be sent to the bottle, okay? But there is a different thing about these wines, okay? These wines, they don't have oxygen inside of them like the other two, so these ones must be sealed with a cork. Meaning what? Preventing this wine from oxidating, because there is no contact at all with oxygen during the process inside of the barrel. These wines, they get very more pressure for a few seconds, and the wine will be ready.
You host parties?
No, girl. Mag ook een stoof?
If I get around to it. Usually. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to sit down. I'm forcing myself to sit down and film a little update for today. I just had the most phenomenal day. Honestly, that was the best excursion day out I've ever had. I literally have to tell you all about it. We just went to Duro Valley. I booked this excursion on Airbnb. I'll make sure I leave the link down below because this is the specific one you need to book because they go to exclusive wineries. They go to exclusive wineries unlike some of the other tours. So I had the most phenomenal time and it was really the people that made it so good. I met so many cool girls. I mean, it was 4 of them, but we had the perfect group. Usually there's like a group of 30 people, and for whatever reason, it was just like us 7 that booked. It was literally like us 5 girls and then 1 guy. Poor guy. We were literally having so much fun. We were talking about everything from like toys to sex, everything you can imagine. We were drinking wine all day. Like we were just having the best time ever. And that was one of the best excursions that I've ever had the pleasure of joining. And it truly was like the people. The girls were American as well. As soon as we got on the boat from the jump, we just vibed and it was so much fun. And I'm so grateful to like have met these girls and just have a good time. It's like you could be paired with anyone, you know what I mean? Which is fine, but it's just not like as vibey. And when we were drinking, we're literally hopping to winery, different places. Like really filled my social bar. I've needed like some girl time for a while now. And I haven't gotten it because I've just been solo traveling, doing my own thing for a minute. So I needed that. What did we do? We got on a boat. We took a boat ride through Duro Valley to see these phenomenal views. I really picked the best time of year, even though it was cold. This has been amazing because it's not been crowded anywhere. It's not high season here, so it's just been perfect. The weather's been perfect. This has been one of the best trips I've ever taken in my entire life. I think the TV was messing with the lighting, but I've been like, I want to travel, but I don't have anyone to go with, you know what I mean? So now I'm just going and I'm meeting people as I go, and it's just the coolest, best experience. I'm having the time of my life, and honestly, I didn't know. I was like crying, packing up my stuff and selling everything and feeling excited, but also so anxious about this whole thing and like, what am I doing with my life? And I almost didn't go on the excursion today, and I'm so thankful that I went because you never know who you're gonna meet, and you should say yes to every opportunity you can. And I'm telling you guys, I am so sore. My body is so sore. I'm at the end of week 3 of my trip and I am worn down. I get 8 hours of sleep every night. I wake up exhausted. Like I don't want to go anywhere. Tomorrow's supposed to rain all day. I'm not gonna do a damn thing tomorrow. Like I'm doing nothing tomorrow. I should have booked a massage for tomorrow. I wonder if I can find another spa. That would be nice, like a pool spa type of situation. Cause I just want to keep doing fun stuff, but like I'm genuinely in so much pain, low-key, you guys. I don't know, I dislocated my shoulder or something. I don't know what I did to my shoulder, like just carrying around heavy luggage or something, but I really hurt myself and I've been in pain for days and it's like won't go away. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not gonna let it stop me. Anyways, I have a few more days here, so we'll continue the vlog, but this is your sign to like book that trip. Don't wait, you'll meet people when you get there, or maybe you won't. But if you put yourself out there and you go to excursions and you go to places where there are people, you will meet people. And it is the best feeling to meet new people. Like you get to reinvent yourself over and over again. Like people don't know who you are, so you can be like the funny one. You can be the outgoing person, maybe that you weren't at home, you know? And I'm the kind of person, like I really have to force myself to be social. I have to force myself to be social because I could just be alone all day long and I'm lazy as hell. I really am. No, I'm not. I shouldn't say that because I'm a lazy person, be all the way in Portugal doing all this stuff. No, but anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.